This brand is available directly through their website or on Amazon and is backed by an average guarantee. The units have a somewhat odd sleep timer function that turns the units off after a set number of hours instead of slowing the units down to a very slow speed, which does not really make any sense. The Aura 2 model is a 4-stage purifier with a true HEPA filter, activated carbon filter, ionizer, and UV light. They have a 4-speed fan with a turbo mode for quick cleaning and a 1,276 square feet coverage area with a 170 CFM delivery rate. The Mini Aura model adds a pre-filter for 5 stages of purification with a 3-speed fan and a 450 square feet coverage area with a 60 CFM delivery rate. The Stella model has more modern styling and a 300 square feet coverage area with a 40 CFM delivery rate. The Claro model is a smart 4-stage purifier with an air quality sensor that can control the 4-speed fan when the unit is in the auto mode. The unit displays the current air quality on the display and has a 1,500 square feet coverage area with a 200 CFM delivery rate. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.